Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I would like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So after the whole operation, they should disappear. And here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the video or on the photo mode. Just enter the settings which are in the left upper corner. Now you have to scroll down to the very bottom to find reset settings. Let's tap on it and simply confirm it with tapping on reset. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and we cannot see the grid lines, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences and customizations. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.